Hello people, let's see today how to create user snippets for VS Code. So it's very easy. We just need to go to any of the browser and over here search for snippet generator and click on the very first link whatever you get. And as you can see over here, VS Code is already active. You just need to copy paste your code over here for which you want to create user snippet. And in this tab triggers section, you need to put any of the word by which you want to get this particular code triggered on your coding platform. Then you need to click on that copy snippet. Now snippet has been copied. Go back to your coding platform, go to file, go to preferences, and then go to configure user snippets. And over here you need to select a new global snippet file and give file any of the name. I have given AI, and inside this remove these comments and place your code which you have got from that online platform and save it. It's all done. Go to any of the file, write that particular tab trigger word, and you will get your code over here. So it is all set to go. For more such informative videos, like and follow.